Let's bring in CTV's chief financial correspondent, Amanda Lang, to talk about all of this in the context of the financial markets. And Amanda, it really is a roller coaster ride. Is this volatility here to stay?
Sandy, volatility is probably the best word you can use for these markets. You know, today markets took a turn for the better, not really based on anything we can see. There was some good U.S. jobs data. There were some rumors in the market about a potential negotiation beginning to the end of this conflict, not substantiated. But of course, at times of uncertainty like this, you don't need much to move markets. And one thing that's interesting to note is we have seen investors willing to buy into the dips in this past week. So there are those who do want to push the markets back up higher, who are believers at this price level, in other words. In times like this, when there's this much volatility, for most people, it makes good sense not to get overly invested in the day-to-day trading. The question would be, what am I supposed to do? If you have investments, it's a good time for a gut check on whether what you own is right for you, how does it feel right now, and whether you can afford a big downturn if one were to come along. It's a good reminder of how you're positioned. But for most people, it is better on times of fast-moving data like this and day-to-day changes to just look away and not actually get overly involved in what's happening, because this volatility is likely to be here for a while.